So hi lovelies, welcome to my IKEA Christmas haul. I really hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I picked up this fur rug. It's super soft. This would make your room really cozy and comfortable. It's just got this lining on the back, and here is the name of it. So I think this also comes in other colours as well as white. So yeah, this is a really great buy, and I'm going to really enjoy, you know, adding this to my festive like room display. So next I'm going to show you this candle. So this is a block gold candle, and oh, it matches the colour of my nails, and it is unscented. So this is part of the VINTERFEST range, and here's just the name of it. So this is 20 centimeters long. So this is a brilliant candle to have during that Christmas period, and it's also available in white and other colours, but I think this gold is just a standout. So next in this IKEA goodie bag I have this cushion. So as you can see, it's padded, and it's just in this kind of natural colour. So I thought this was really great because it just adds a bit more comfort to things you already have, like a chair. So I think this is a great practical buy, and I really love on this that it has Velcro. So there's just Velcro on either side, and I think that's really great instead of a tie one. It can be really suitable for many chair sizes. And this is called the Melinda. So guys, I don't need any more throws, but I couldn't help myself, and I actually got this. So this is just a cream blanket, and as you can see, this is a knitted blanket and it's really soft. So here's a bit of a close-up. This again just adds a bit more cozy to any room. So this is in the cream colour, but they also have other colours available. So here is some more product info. So IKEA is one of those places where you find things you don't really need but are really great, and I'm just loving this blanket. So also part of their VINTERFEST range are these right here, and these are just some tree lights. They're made of plastic, and they also are battery powered, and they come in 3. So this is what it looks like, and then you just put them on and they actually light up at the bottom. And continuing on with ornaments and the like, I have these robins. So these would be great on perhaps a green Christmas tree, and they are made of like a woolly fabric. So here's a close-up, and again this comes in a packet of 3. And drum roll! So my favourite piece of this haul is right here, this light up wreath. And I mean, it is just so pretty on. So it will look really large, and it will just light up, and it has a kind of fairy light look. So I love that it can be hung on doors or just in different rooms. So I'll just give you a show of what it looks like on. And this is a close-up of what it looks like off and in the box. So this is battery powered, and I think it will give a beautiful fairy tale look to a room, and the name of it is just here. So every year they have pieces, and I think this is a really standout piece for me, and one of my favourite buys. So this wreath also comes in other sizes. So thank you guys for watching my IKEA haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time.